right, VIPs, the sun will come out tomorrow, okay? You have to keep it alive. Keep the hope, the faith alive. It's your transformational coach, Jennifer Nicole Lee, and happy Transformational Tuesday. You look beautiful. You look gorgeous. You look healthy. You look vibrant. You look just on top of your game. You're taking care of yourself. You have more time for your self-care, to water your flowers. It's spring, guys. And what flower are you and why? I would love to know. Post that in the Facebook group. Today we're going live at 8 a.m. with our beautiful, sexy detox, sculpt, and stretch to elongate your muscles, to inhale the positivity, and to exhale the negativity. This is a great practice for you to totally just connect with yourself. You have to do the inner work to enjoy the outer work. Right now is your time to declare your health, your strength, your sanity. I posted yesterday in the Facebook group a beautiful contract for each and every one of you to print off and sign and put it somewhere where you can look at it daily and say, you know what? Coach JNL is right. I have too many reasons to be blessed. This too shall pass. And we're all learning something deeper about our existence here, our small little existence. And I'm just so grateful to be your transformational coach. You know, why do you think this book looks so beat up? Because I actually use it. Hi, Brooke. Hi, Yelly Rativa. Love you. I actually use it. This is more of a workbook, and this is really helping us all regain and just reclaim and unleash our VIP power so you can bloom to new heights of success. We're going to be continuing with the book club on Friday. We're going to be continuing with physical fitness and how it all just helps cleanse and release the de-stress and relax the mind, body, and spirit, because stress can trigger a whole slew of sicknesses, okay? And I posted in the message box a really cool graphic that I made yesterday, and I just want to review it because I think it gives a lot of insight of how we can flip this situation to a positive one. VIPs, look at the bright side, okay? Top reasons why you're gonna crush your goals. You're still doing your at-home workouts. They become more of a priority, actually, and that we can't eat out. Eating out is like the #1 sabotager for gaining weight. So no fried appetizers, right? Less social outings to sabotage your nutritional goals. You're gonna have more time to plan your meals. That has increased. More things that are just kind of shutting down. It's gonna force us to really relax, reflect more, work on our future goals. Look to the end of April, May. This will pass. I've been through a lot of storms in my life. We're just going through one globally, you know, so we're having a chance to bond with each other and connect with each other. We're actually forced to make healthy meals at home. More rest and recovery time, right? I want to see you guys getting more pampered. Enjoy that. More time for self-care rituals. And now really we're seeing, wow, my body's defense against sickness, my body's defense against, you know, ailments, the flu, my body's defense, my immune system, that's the #1 priority. So think about it this way. What are you putting your focus on? It's like going to the ATM, withdrawing money and giving it to the enemy. Here, take my focus. Take what I've been working so hard on in my life. Take all my hard work and let me just give it to you right now. Let me just roll over and go ahead and play dead. Let me just cry victim. I'm telling all my VIP soldiers to get your mindset as being victorious. You've already conquered this cootie, okay? Think about it. I am here to remind you just how strong you are. Don't you forget about it. Don't you forget that you have been for years in our VIP group, for months, for years. All of my clients that I've had for 10, 11 years, you've been working on keeping yourself strong, keeping yourself healthy. Okay, look at this. That's why I keep these beautiful flowers around me. I want you guys to remember, spring has sprung. It's in your heart. Don't, oh, where's my dead fish on a slab? Don't let yourself feel like this. I know it's like gloom and doom on the news, and I know we're all going through this crisis, but guess what? There's a blessing in all of this, okay? Bill Gates, the richest man alive, gave a TED Talk speech 4 years ago, and he was saying, let me tell you what, we are not prepared for the next pandemic. I'm going to actually share it. It's very enlightening, but I'm thinking that this is our chance to get it right. that we're going to put our billions of dollars worth putting up a really great strategy. God forbid this happens again in the future, okay? So we're going to get stronger from this. We're going to grow from this. The sun will come out tomorrow. You guys are a flower, a beautiful bouquet of love, light, and laughter. Let's celebrate our wellness together. Join me at 8 a.m. for our deep detox, sculpt and stretch as we exhale all this stress, get it out of our psyche, and replace it with healing energy, okay? Because it's all energy. Let's do this. I'll see you guys soon. If you're not a member, join at JNLVIP.com. I've been doing this for years and I love what I do. Online trading is my purpose. Being a transformational coach is my purpose by God. And thank you that I can be an instrument of light during these very challenging times. It's not about money for me. It's not about paying my light bill with the subscription. It's about being here for you all the time to tell you to never give up. I've had so many reasons why I should have given up. You guys know my story. And guess what? The minute you want to give up is that right when the miracle's about to happen. So keep your eye on the prize. Keep motivated. Keep the praises going up, because when the praises go up, the blessings come down. And don't forget, tomorrow at 1:30, we're doing a really cool Double the Motivation with Yelia Guri. Her story is going to shake the ground underneath your feet, okay? It's going to move your spirit. It's going to give you intestinal fortitude. Us together, we're going to really just give you that inspiration you need to continue on your journey and fight the good fight. And let me tell you what, I'm looking 10 steps ahead. I'm already looking at the end of all this. You've come out stronger. You come out healthier. You come out more focused, more grateful. You come out on top. Let's name and claim it together. What you talk about, you bring about. What you focus on, you create. What you are seeking is silently seeking you back. So what are you thinking about all day? Remember, don't go to the ATM, take out money, and give it to the enemy. All your hard work, okay? The enemy is right now challenging all of us. Guess what? We're not going to crumble. We're not going to crack in fear. We're going to rise up in faith, guys. Let's do this. I could be here talking all day. I'm sweating just preaching about it, okay? I'll see you at 8 a.m. If you're not a member, join JNLVIP.com, the #1 fitness group, mind, body, and spirit motivation fitness group on all of Facebook and all the world, in my humble opinion, okay? I love you guys. I love witnessing the magic and miracles in each and every one of your lives. Having a front row seat, seeing those miracles happen, because they're happening. And there's a big string of miracles with your name on it, like a virus. These miracles are gonna infect us, and I don't want no cure. I don't want no vaccine. Praises up, blessings down. Let's do this. Love you guys. Woo!